Power BI, Google Analytics, welcome to the show that helps marketers and businesses make better informed data decisions. Today we're going to take a Google Analytics view right in Google Analytics and then take a look at that same view in Power BI to show you the benefits of merging the two tools. Let's go to the big board and take a look at your standard Google Analytics view. And let's say we were tracking sessions. Now in this view, we have a look at the raw number. And remember, numbers are great. People can remember those sometimes, but when you start to see too many numbers, it's kind of hard to differentiate a pattern. And that's one of the advantages that a lot of people use, why they use data visualizations. Now, one of the things you could do is do a quick week over week comparison. Again, it kind of shows you a quick summary and some of the things you could do. But again, if you're presenting this to maybe your manager, or if you're looking at this as a organizational marketing team, it would be kind of hard to differentiate some of the key metrics that you're trying to take away out of this weekly report. Now let's take a look at this same report in Power BI. And one of the key things that you want to do with Power BI, we have identified not only sessions as one of our key metrics, we've also identified PDF downloads, emails coming in from the website, and phone calls coming in from click-to-call ads on a mobile device. In this example, we've went from taking the raw data and numbers in a very, like I say, I like Google Analytics. It's got a lot of great data, but it really wasn't designed to be a data visualization tool, whereas Power BI is built for data and for data visualization. So now we've identified those as key KPIs, and we've cleaned it up. It's a lot cleaner, and at a glance, you can quickly indicate where you are at from the current week from the previous week. Now, this screenshot was taken on a Friday, so if you wanted to quick summarize how your marketing team did, how your website or e-commerce website did, you would say quickly the sessions were up 35%, PDFs were up 56%, emails were up 2%, and phone calls were up 41%. Now you have that information quickly. Now you can quickly move forward as a marketing team, or if you're the boss and kind of looking at this more from a C-suite perspective, you can say, what did we do differently from this week than last week that may have caused those changes? And that's where you can start to modify your marketing and position your marketing once you have a clearer picture of what direction some of your key metrics are going. And remember, this is really, again, those numbers are in Google Analytics, but this is a clearer picture. It's clean, and once you identify your key metrics, and you can even break this down to one metric per slide if that's what you really wanted to focus on as a team. A lot of times you get that question, why should I take the time to move my Google Analytics data into Power BI? This would be one of the reasons. Cleaner dashboard, identifying the key performance indicators, and having a quick summary visualization that allow you to spot trends quicker as a marketing team. Do you use Power BI and Google Analytics? Leave a comment below how you use the two. What are some of your key performance indicators? And remember, connect with me on LinkedIn if you need to know more, or if your team, marketing team, or organization needs some consultation on Power BI or Google Analytics. That's a look at this week's show, Power BI and Google Analytics and making a better dashboard.